Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poorman.
I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poorman.
I'm Christine, known as Mini Poorman.
And today we're going to build a Japanese-inspired home decoration.
So one of my dreams has always been to have a tatami floor room in our house. Unfortunately, we don't have the space for that, but there is a little area that we want to get some custom tatamis built, and we also want to do some decorating in that area. As part of that, we have to have a little bit of decor to be added to it, and so we came across something that we really liked recently, and we're going to see if we can reproduce it ourselves with a vase and some bamboo. So today we're going to show you what we did with that.
If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, or comment down below.
And cue music. Mrs. Poorman measured, then cut the bamboo to size.
Mr. Poorman, that doesn't work without a battery. Duh! Eventually, he managed to sand the surface so the stain and polyacrylic would adhere.
Mrs. Poorman stained some of the bamboo and then let them dry. Then she applied a couple coats of polyacrylic on all the bamboo sticks. Now that Mrs. Poorman has completed the bamboo sticks, we're now going to place them in this vase. Now we did a test run on this before with a plastic cup, and we used some foam to hold the sticks up. And when we did that in the plastic cup, it actually burst. The foam keeps expanding and expanding, and it got so strong that it actually burst the plastic cup. So instead of filling this up all at once, the plan is to do just a little bit. It gets quite hard, so if it gets too hard, we'll drill some holes in it, and then we'll take the sticks and add them in there upright, and then we'll fill up the rest at another time. So, our first step is to give this a shot. Now, just in case this expands and puts too much pressure on the vase and shatters it, we don't want to make a mess in the garage. So we'll let it sit in here until it dries, and we'll go from that. So we'll be back in a day or so to see how it comes out from there.
This part worked out much better than expected. The hardened foam was solid enough to hold the bamboo firmly in place, yet allow Mr. Poorman to easily place all the sticks where we wanted.
We were going to use a moss, but Mrs. Poorman found this filler that matches the walls, and though I was skeptical at first, she was right.
As always, duh!
It may be a while before we finish this tatami area, but we're one step closer now.
So today we hope you enjoyed our video, and next week we are going to challenge to rebuild our linen closet.
So until then,
Bye-bye! Is it flashing or no?
Yes.